Hello, children. Today we will be learning our new topic, and the new topic name is goods and services. So let's see what is good and what is service. Let's start. You might have observed in your daily life you spend money on many things. Everything we buy is either goods or services. हमारे डेली लाइफ में, हमारे हर दिन में हम बहुत सारी चीजों पे पैसे खर्च करते हैं, खर्चा करते हैं। और हम जिन जिन चीजों के लिए पैसे खर्च करते हैं, अगर हम गौर से देखें तो वी कैन डिवाइड, हम उनको दो चीजों में, दो भाग में कैटेगराइज कर सकते हैं। या तो हम खर्चा करते हैं गुड्स पे या सर्विसेज पे। Whatever we spend our money on is either goods or services. हम हर रोज जिस पे खर्चा करते हैं वो या तो गुड्स कहलाता है या सर्विस कहलाती है। So let's see what is good. What is a good? हम देखेंगे कि गुड किसे कहते हैं। A good is something you can touch with your hands. गुड एक ऐसी चीज है जिसे हम हाथों से टच कर सकते हैं, जिसे हम हाथों में ले सकते हैं, आंखों से देख सकते हैं। That is called good. These are the examples of goods. Books, किताबें, आइसक्रीम, ड्रेस और कपड़े, कार, ये सारे गुड्स के एग्जाम्पल्स हैं। इन सारी चीजों को हम बोलेंगे गुड्स। We will call all these things as goods because we can physically touch these things. We can see these things. We can touch these things. So हम इसको बोलेंगे goods. We will say these are goods. Let's see what is a service. अब हम देखेंगे कि सर्विस किसे कहते हैं। A service is a job you pay someone else to do. सर्विस मतलब एक ऐसा काम जिसे कोई अगर हमारे लिए करके दे तो हम उसे उसके बदले पैसे देते हैं, हम उसे उसके बदले पेमेंट करते हैं। तो उस काम को हम बोलेंगे सर्विस। We will call it as service when some person or someone do some work for us. हमारे लिए अगर कोई सेवा करे, कोई काम करे और हम उसे उसका पेमेंट दे, उसके लिए उसे पैसे दे, तो that work will be called as service. We will call that work as service. A service is a job you pay someone else to do something for you. Whipping, dog care or pet care, washing clothes, these all are services. कपड़े धोना, झाड़ू मारना या झाड़ू लगाना, क्लीनिंग करना या पेट्स का केयर करना, ये सारी चीजें सर्विसेज के अंडर आती है। We will call these things as service because we pay for it. अगर हमें कोई कपड़े धो के देता है तो we pay for them. अगर कोई हमारे पेट का केयर करता है, we'll pay for them. अगर कोई हमारा घर क्लीन करके देता है या स्वीपिंग करता है, झाड़ू मारता है, we will give a payment to that person, and so we will say that that person is providing a service for us. वह आदमी या वह व्यक्ति हमारे लिए सर्विस दे रहा है, हमें मदद कर रहा है अपनी सर्विस देके, and we will pay for his work, and that is called service. So have you understood the difference between goods and services? Goods एक ऐसी चीज है जो हम आंखों से देख सकते हैं और जिसे हम फिजिकली टच कर सकते हैं। We can touch the thing that is called goods, and service is something which We cannot touch physically. किसी ने हमारे लिए काम किया, we cannot touch that work physically, but we can experience it, and his service help us, and we are paying for him for his service. That is service, goods and service. Now we will see few things and we will categorize them into either goods and or services. अब हम कुछ चीजें देखेंगे और हम उन्हें कैटेगराइज करेंगे कि वेदर इट इज गुड्स और सर्विसेज, वो गुड्स है या सर्विसेज है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फुटबॉल, बास्केटबॉल और बॉल. बॉल is a thing which we can go to market and can purchase it and we can touch it. We can touch it physically, and so ball is goods. Ball will come under goods. The next thing is electrician or the service which is provided by electrician. Because we have any problem in our house, we call electrician and he help us to solve that problem. He resolve our problem. Electrician हमारे घर में आते हैं और हमारे घर का जो भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक प्रॉब्लम है, जो भी इश्यू है, वो सॉल्व करते हैं और हम उन्हें उनके उस काम के लिए पेमेंट करते हैं. So the work which is done by electrician will come under services. इलेक्ट्रीशियन जो काम हमारे लिए करते हैं, it will come under services. Let's see next example. Laptop. We can go to market and can purchase laptop. We pay for laptop and we can experience or we can touch laptop physically, and that's why laptop will come under goods. Laptop will come under a category goods. लैपटॉप को हम टच कर सकते हैं और हम अपने साथ रख सकते हैं. So laptop will be goods. Next example is plumber. Plumber is a person who come to our house and solve our water tap related issues या bathroom related issues. हमारे घर में आके हमें हेल्प करता है, हमारे जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है सॉल्व करता है, दैट इज प्लम्बर. तो हिज सर्विस, वो जो काम करता है उसके लिए हम उसे पेमेंट करते हैं, एंड सो द सर्विस प्रोवाइडेड बाय प्लम्बर विल कम अंडर सर्विसेज. प्लम्बर हमारे लिए जो काम करता है, दैट विल कम अंडर सर्विसेज. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज पॉट, जिसमें हम खाना पकाते हैं. We can go to market, we can purchase the pot, we can make a payment for it, and because pot is physical thing, we can touch it physically, we can experience it, we can see it, we can touch it. Pot आएगा goods के अंदर. Pot is goods. Next example is gardener. A person who works in garden is called gardener. एक ऐसा व्यक्ति जो गार्डन में पेड़ पौधों की केयर करता है, उनका ख्याल रखता है, we will call him or her as gardener, and the service provided by him comes under services. So gardener will come under services. These are few examples of goods and services. Today we learn what is good and what is service. A good is something you can touch with your hands. Good एक ऐसी चीज है जो हम हाथों से टच कर सकते हैं. We can touch it physically. A service is a job you pay someone else to do. सर्विस मतलब एक ऐसा काम जिससे कोई दूसरा हमें करके देता है और हम उसे उसका पेमेंट करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड सर्विस. So have you understood the difference between good and service? Let's see few more examples. This is car. When we say car is goods. It will come under goods. But when we say a car washer or a person who washes the car, so the service provided by the person, वो काम जो वो आदमी हमें करके देता है, he washes our car, उसे हम कहेंगे service. He gives service to us and he cleans our car or he wash our car. That's why his work will come under services. So, car is goods and washing the car is a service. Let's see one more example. Vegetables. Vegetables and fruits comes under goods because we make the payment for these things. We go to market, we purchase them and we make the payment for these things. So, vegetables and fruits comes under goods. But after coming home, if a chef or a cook is cooking for us using those vegetables and fruits, if he is preparing a food for us, then the service of that person will come under services. So the work done by cook will come under services. So vegetables and fruits are goods and cooking is a service which is given by a cook or a chef. Have you understood what are goods and what are services? Goods we can touch physically. Services we cannot touch physically, but we can see the work done for us using the service. Let's see one more example. This is a dress. We go to market, make payment and purchase the dress. So dress is goods. We are buying goods for us so that we can use it. But when we talk about a tailor or a dress designer, then it is a service. The work done by dress designer or a tailor will come under services. So dress is goods and the work done by dress designer or tailor is service. अगर